When measuring the visible glass of your window, we're interested in the dimensions from here to here and from here to here. Place your tape on the glass, come over to the edge, and use the next whole number. Same for the height. In this case, 43 inches. If there's a fraction, round up to the next whole number. When taking your photographs, please include a close-up of an inside corner of the window. Sometimes we can identify the manufacturer of the window with just that information. When giving us photographs from the exterior of the home, please be sure to include the ground in front of the window as well as the window itself, so that we can understand what the project involves, whether it's something that's simple and right on the ground like this one, or something hidden behind trees or landscaping or higher up like these windows. Be sure to get both the ground and the window in the photograph. Sometimes your glass will have grids in between the panes. We will need to duplicate those when we make the new panes for your window. What we're interested in is the pattern that they make. How many squares wide by how many squares tall? Think of it as a tic-tac-toe pattern. How many boxes wide by how many boxes tall? That's really all there is to it.